Hello and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Looking at a difficult area to figure out a solution. What did we choose for this one? Draperies. And the customer is thrilled with it because it gives a nice finished look and coordinates really well with the design of the home. Take a look at this really popular style of drapery rod. Square. Square rings too. It's beautiful. It works very well for this particular job. Here I'm showing what it looks like when it's open. You can see the beauty of the fabric as well as the stack on the side. Gives it room darkening when they need it. This is what it looks like when it's stacked on both sides. Though you'll notice at the bottom of the window, it's tacked together. I'll show you how we did that and why in just a moment. Here you can see that we tied the bottom. We did that intentionally because what we want to do is make sure that it maintains its stack. They're going to leave it like that for a little bit. So this was the overall look that we started with. This is the fabric that we chose. Just wanted to show it up close. And then here's that overall look and how beautiful it looks, showing what it looked like beforehand so you can see the finished look. Customer is thrilled, and you can be too. Thanks for watching the Kempler Design Vlog.